In this video we will look at one of the most popular indicators amongst traders and show some profitable strategies that will help you make big profits in a small amount of time. If you are new to the channel and want to learn more about making money online and trading, then definitely consider subscribing, since there are many more great trading videos and strategies coming. Now without wasting more time, let's roll the disclaimer and get right into the video. Now, what you can see is the chart of Bitcoin US dollar tether on the 5-minute time frame, which we use the most for our trading. You can also use different time frames and financial instruments if you have different preferences. The indicator that we will talk about today is the RSI, which stands for Relative Strength Index, and it measures the relative power, or momentum of either the bulls or the bears, or respectively, buyers and sellers. To add the RSI to our chart, we simply need to search for it in the Indicators tab and click on it. It should be free on every charting platform including TradingView, which we are currently using. After we add the RSI, it is best to get rid of some of the lines and colors. So double-click on the indicator, go to the Style section and uncheck the MA, the middle band and the background fill. I also like to change the color of the main line to blue and make it a bit thicker. It's also better to make the upper and lower levels normal lines so it's more clear where the main blue line is. Now as the indicator is ready to be used, let's get into the most used RSI strategy, oversold and overbought. This strategy tells you to buy when the indicator is below the 30 level, oversold, and to sell when it gets to the overbought area, above the 70 level. The problem with this strategy are trending markets, where an asset can stay in overbought or oversold areas for quite a while, so you would get stopped out many times before getting a good trade. But if you identify a non-trending flat market, then it is a great strategy to use and it can be very profitable. Let me show you a few examples of such trades. For your stops and targets, you can use whatever you prefer. But we would recommend placing your stops slightly below or above the latest highs or lows and targeting anything between 1.5 to 5 to 1. The second most used RSI strategy, and also the better and more professional one, is looking at divergences in price and the indicator. If you don't know what a divergence is, it's when price makes a higher high or a lower low and the chosen indicator does the opposite. A lower high and a higher low respectively. These peaks have to obviously be formed at the same time. Now this strategy can work standalone in both trending and flat markets, but it is best to pair it with major support and resistance zones, which are important zones that price has reacted to either with a rally or a drop. If you want to know more about these, then make sure to drop a like and we will make a video about support and resistance in the future. So when price creates a divergence and simultaneously hits an important support or resistance zone, we get a much stronger signal than if we were only using the divergence by itself. With this strategy you can also use any money management that you like, but make sure you never risk too much or use less than 1.5 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Now I hope that you have understood both these strategies. If not, you can always rewatch the video or drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to this channel and you are an aspiring trader, definitely consider subscribing, because there are many more great trading videos coming that you don't want to miss. And if you have a strategy or an indicator that you would like us to check out, then comment below. With that said, I wish you all the best in your trading journey, and I hope I will see you next time.